Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear students, in this video we will learn examples of practice set 12.1 from the chapter Equations in One Variable. Question number 2. Solve the following equations. First example, 17p minus 2 plus 49. So here the numbers we should take on the right hand side of the equality and variable we should be kept in the left hand side of the equal to sign. So here this minus 2, when minus 2 will go on right hand side, the sign of this minus 2 will change, it will become plus. So 49, 70 is equal to 49. This 2 will jump on right hand side, it will become my plus 2. Sign will change. So therefore next step, 17p is equal to 49 plus 2, which is equal to 51. Now here on left hand side, the operation between this 17 and p is multiplication. So this, when this 17 will go on right hand side, so it will get divided. 51 divided by 17, which is equal to 17 1 is 71, 70 3 is 51. So p is equal to 3. The rules here are, when the negative number, when it goes on right hand side of the equality, it becomes positive. When positive number goes plus sign, that is positive number go on the right hand side of the equality, it will become negative, and vice versa. When negative positive number will come on the left hand side, it will become minus, and minus will go there, it will become plus. Similarly, this plus will go there, number, constant number, it will become minus, and minus will become plus. Similarly, when multiplication, when it goes on right hand side of the equality, it will get divided, and when division will come here, it will become multiplication. Second example, 2m plus 7 is equal to 9. Now here the variable is m, we have to find the value of m. Now the number 7 plus 7 will take on right hand side of the equality. So 2m is equal to 9 minus plus 7 will jump on right hand side, the sign will change, it will become minus 7. Therefore 2m is equal to 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. Now here there is multiplication operation, 2 into m, so d will divide, this 2 will go on right hand side, it will get divide by 2. Therefore m is equal to 2 1s are 2, so m is equal to 1. Another example, 3x plus 12 is equal to 2x minus 4. Now here we have to find the value of x. Now in this equation, take the variables on the one side of the equality, equal to sign, and numbers on the right hand side of the equal to sign. So here 3x, when this 2 will come on the left hand side, then the 2x, the sign will change, it will become minus 2x. Plus 2x will come on left hand side of the equality, it will become minus 2x, and this 4 will remain as it is, minus 4. This 12 will come on right hand side of the equality, so plus 12 will come on right hand side and it will become, sign will change, it will become minus 12. Therefore 3x minus 2x is equal to x, and minus 4 and minus 12 both are negative, so we have to add it, it is equal to minus 16. Fourth example, 5 into x minus 3 is equal to 3 into x plus 2. The first step, we have to simplify the brackets, we should open the bracket. So multiply this first bracket by 5. So 5 into x, 5 into x is 5x and 5 into minus 3, 5 3s are, that is minus 15, 5 3s are 15. Similarly, open the bracket of right hand side of the equality. So 3 into x, 3 into x is 3x plus 3 into 2, that is 2 2s are 6. Now take the variables on the left hand side of the equal to sign and numbers on right hand side of the equal to sign. So 5x, this 3x will come on left hand side of the equality, it will become plus 3 will come on left hand side, it will become minus 3x, plus 3x will come on left hand side, it will become minus 3x, and this minus 15 will go on right hand side, this 6 as it is we have to carry on right hand side, and minus 15 will jump on right hand side, it will become plus 15. Therefore 5x minus 3x is equal to 2x and 6 plus 15 is equal to 21. Therefore here 2 into x it is, so 2 multiplied by x, so when 2 will go on right hand side it will get divided, so 21 divided by 2. So x is equal to 21 upon 2 is the example. 9x upon 8 plus 1 is equal to 10. So first take my plus 1 on right hand side of the equality. So my plus 1 will go on right hand side. So 9x upon 8 is equal to 10. This plus 1 will go here. It will become minus 1. That is, therefore 9x upon 8 is equal to 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. Now this 8 is divided, 9x upon 8 means x, 9x divided by 8. So this 8 will come on right hand side, it will get multiplied. So 9x is equal to 9 into 8. Therefore 9x is equal to 9 into 8 is equal to 72. 9 is 72. Now this 9 into x on that LHS, so 9 will come on right hand side, it will get divided by 72, 72 upon 9. Therefore x is equal to 72 divided by 9, that is 9 1s are 9 8s are 72. So x is equal to 8. Sixth example, y upon 7 plus y minus 4 upon 3 is equal to 2. Now here, first we'll simplify the left hand side of the equation. So here do the cross multiplication. So y into 3 multiply y into 3 plus 7 multiplied by y minus 4 upon 7 into 3, which is equal to 2. Therefore, now y into 3 is 3y plus 7, now open the bracket, 7 into y, 7y, 7 into minus 4, 7 4s are 28, that is minus 28 upon 7 3s are 21 is equal to 2. Now on left hand side, this numerator and this is the 21 is the denominator. So this term is divided by 21 on left hand side. Now 21 will take on right hand side, which will get multiplied on right hand side. So here 3y plus 7y is equal to 10y minus 28 is equal to 2 multiplied by 21. Therefore 10y minus 28 is equal to 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4, 21 2s are 42. Now we'll take this minus 28 on right hand side of the equality. So therefore 10y is equal to, this 28 will go on right hand side. So 42 will become plus, minus 28 will become plus 28 on right hand side. So therefore 10y is equal to 42 plus 28 is equal to 70. Therefore here now 10 into y. So take 10 on right hand side of equality, will get divided. So 70 upon 10, which is equal to 7. 0, 0 will get cancelled. 7 upon 1 is equal to y equal to 7. The solution. Seventh example. 13x minus 5 is equal to 3 upon 2. So the next step, 13x keep on left hand side of the equal to sign, and minus 5 will come on right hand side. So 3 upon 2 minus 5 will become plus 5. Now simplify the RHS, that is the right hand side of the equality. Cross multiply here. Here denominator is 1. So 3 ones are 3 plus 5 into 2 is equal to 10 upon 2 ones are 2, which is equal to 30 upon 2. Therefore, x is equal to this 13 into x. So take out 13 on right hand side. It will get divided 2 into 13. 13 will get cancelled. 13 ones are 13 ones are, and x is equal to 1 upon 2 is the solution of the equation. Ninth example. X minus 9 upon x minus 5 is equal to 5 upon 7. Now first step, do the cross multiplication over here. So 7 into x minus 9, 7 into x minus 9 is equal to 5 into x minus 5. Therefore 7 into, now simplify the brackets, 7 into x, 7x minus 7 into 9, 63 is equal to 5 into x, 5x, and minus 5 5s are 25. Now take the variables on left hand side of the equality, and the numbers will be, take numbers on the right hand side of the equal to sign. So this 5x will come on the left hand side, so it will become minus 5x is equal to, and plus 63 will come on right, minus 63 will come on right hand side, it will become plus 63. Therefore 7x minus 5x is equal to 2x. 63 minus 25 means minus 25 plus 63 is minus, that is 63 minus 25 is equal to 13 minus 5 is equal to 8, and 5 minus 2 is equal to 38. Therefore x is equal to 38. Here 2x is equal to 38, so 2 will come, 2 will get divided on right hand side. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 19s are 38. So x is equal to 19 is the solution of the given equation. Y minus 4 upon 3 plus 3y is equal to 4. So y minus 4, for simplify, will simplify here the left hand side of the equation. So cross multiply here, y minus 4 plus 3 multiplied by 3, 3 3s are 9y upon 3 is equal to 4. Therefore, now y plus 9y, which is equal to 10y minus 4 is equal to, this 3 will go here on right hand side of the equal to sign, it will get multiplied 4 into 3. Therefore 10y minus 4 is equal to 4 3s are 12. Therefore, 10y is equal to this minus 4 go on right hand side, it will become plus 12 plus 4. Therefore, 10y is equal to 12 plus 4 is equal to 16. So therefore, y is equal to here 10 into y. So 10 will come on right hand side and it will get divided by 16. So the solution is y equal to 16 upon 10.